Hello everyone, do you have low alarm sounds on your Android? If so, watch this video till the very end. In this video, I'll show you how can you boost up the alarm volume. So let's start the video. First of all, go to the clock and here an alarm at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these three dots, go to the settings. Here, alarm ringtone, tap on it and choose the high frequency sounds. Okay, so simply choose the sound. After that, scroll down to ringtone volumes and make sure that it is adjusted to high. So the next step what you can do is scroll down the notification panel. Here tap on settings. After that, here search for reset and reset all settings. This will help you to reset your alarm phone. After that, the next method what you can do is scroll down to additional settings. Here you can go to sound effects. Here tap on equalizer and make sure that all these parameters are adjusted at the middle. The next step what you can do is go to the sound and vibrations, go to the alarms. You can choose high frequency alarms from here as well. After that, make sure that this alarm volume is adjusted to high. I hope these steps will help you out to boost up the alarm sounds. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. See you guys in the next video.